got Glam Team and Sugar Diana back with another video. If you're new here, what is you doing? Subscribe to my channel, turn on post notifications, and go check out some other videos. So guys, by the title, you already know I am doing this look. I'm installing this wig. Like, that's that. By the title, you already know. Disclaimer, in the video, I was nervous. I kind of messed up. I changed my edges. I did this, I did that. So don't judge me, but I'm here for the tips. I'm here for the comments, and yeah, I'm just ready. So without further ado, let's get into the hair video. So guys, the hair that I'm using today is from Diana Brazilian Secret on the color Snow. This is the pack. It's in the hair store, boo. This is the best synthetic hair brand ever. Like, if it says Diana on it, it's the best brand, boo. In the color Snow, I will be doing a tutorial on this hair. It is so beautiful. It's 30 inches, 100% Remy human hair blended. I'm telling you, it's the best synthetic hair ever. Like, people won't even know because it barely gets tangled. Like, at least for me, because I know how to take care of synthetic hair. So I'm the queen of synthetic hair. But that's another story. So let's get to installing this baby. It's so beautiful. Like, so let's get to it. So first thing I do, I usually don't like, you know how when they glue all the way in the front and then cut it? No, I don't do that. So when my mama get my mirror, if I can do it right, you don't roast me in the comments. I'll be back. Alright guys, I got my mirror, so if I'm looking over here, it's because my mirror is right there and I want to see myself do it. So, because you can't always trust the phone camera, you gotta trust the mirror. First, I'm using the Got To Be glue, the black bottle. Excuse my nails, don't come for me in the comments, boo. I know my nails done, okay? I'm gonna put it around my edges. I also got the spray, but that's like for after. So we're gonna put the glue all over the front. This is like a temporarily hairstyle, like if you don't want to keep the wig on for like long. Then, but if you want to keep it long, all you have to do is pull the thing forward and glue it and cut it. So if you want to keep it longer, that's what you do. But I like to change my hair, and actually I'm gonna be changing my hair soon, so there's another hair tutorial coming, and it's another affordable hair because not everybody can afford human hair. I do have human wigs, but I prefer synthetics. Like, to be honest, I prefer synthetics. I have human hair wigs, but nah, I'm a synthetic girl. Sorry, because I don't like to keep hair on my head for so long. So why would I spend a lot of money? And then I end up throwing the hair away when they're like done with. So even human hair, I had this curly hair, this human curly hair. It ain't even last long because the hair started shedding. Like, it was just a hot mess. So I prefer synthetic. Don't hate me for that, but that's the truth. So yeah, I'm gonna blow dry that. So I will be speeding this part right now. Okay, now it's time to put on the wig. Okay, guys, this is how I put my wig. Don't come for me. And yeah, just like Diara said, argue with your mama, not me. Period. So we're gonna line the wig with your hair. I look like I got forehead. So damn, I don't wanna put makeup on this hair. Like, it is so white. Like, alright, cool. Make sure everything's in line. The back. It does have combs. I forgot to mention that. So argue with your mama, not me. Diara voice. Make sure everything's aligned. Take your Got To Be glue. We're gonna stick those later on, but this is just for now. and we're gonna blow dry again. So before this thing dry into your face, I usually cut my lace now. I usually cut my lace before, but I'm gonna be cute today and do like the YouTubers. Now we're gonna spray. Oh, hopefully it stays. Make sure you spray all the little hairlines that are listed you didn't get. And then now it's time to spray the side. Spray that bad boy. Blow dry. Alright, since I have on makeup, I'm gonna clean my forehead. Ooh, that forehead, girl. Clean your forehead with a makeup wipe, because that's where the baby hair is gonna go. We're gonna part the hair. So with working with the baby hair, you gotta be focused. So just watch me if you want to, because I need to focus. I'm gonna be using Got2b glue to do my edges, so yeah. And I'm using a brush. I know you're like, what kind of brush that is, but I can't find my edge brush, so on the middle part. So I'm gonna middle part. So I changed up my edges a little bit because I realized, girl, you was doing too much edges, like ew. So yeah, this is the edges I came up with. Just a little slide, took some edges away. I did not plug nothing. Yeah, technically just for it don't be frizzy, because synthetic hair likes to get in your face. I sprayed it with Got2b glue so it wouldn't fly, it wouldn't be all up on my face, especially when you wear makeup. Synthetic hair like to get on your face. So I sprayed it. I put a little makeup like in between the edges so it looked natural. Yeah, that's all I did off camera. And yeah, and this is the finishing look. The length is like to my lower back. If you want to see the length, go follow me on Instagram. It's down below to see the length, because I always take pictures and you will see the length, like if it's touching my back or not. Okay, but it is 30 inches, so you do the math. And I'm 5 foot, so yeah. But that's all for the look, guys. I'm getting better on camera with putting my wig. I'm just so shy and I can't, like, I be shy. I be so shy, like, so bear with me. Don't give me no thumbs down. Thank you. I'm new to installing my wig on camera, but in person I can do it. Like if I was on camera, it would have took me like 2 seconds, but since I'm on camera, it took me longer. And I'm shy and I mess up because I be scared, like I be shy. So yeah, hope you guys like this one. this hair install, and just let me know down below what I need to work on, what I did good, what I didn't do good. Just let me know down below. Tell me if you like the white on me. Your girl's dark skin still rocking white hair. Like, who said dark skins can't rock color hair? I'll wait. But don't forget to subscribe, like, turn on your post notification. Remember, all feedbacks matter on this channel, so your opinion, I will take notes on it. Like, if you tell me you don't like it, guess what? I'm gonna take notes. I might not wear it again. If you tell me you like it, I'm gonna take notes. I might wear it again. So just let me know down below. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like, turn on post notification. Bye guys.